we'll guide you through how to fix File Explorer not responding in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The first thing you can do is to restart the File Explorer, which will eventually resolve this issue. Just right-click anywhere on the taskbar and choose Task Manager from the list. Now from here, click this navigation button to show the panel names and make sure you are in the Processes tab. Close it and scroll down to locate the File Explorer process in this list. It will eventually be at the last of this list. Click it, and from this button right here, restart the File Explorer. The screen will black out and your issue may be resolved by this simple step. If it doesn't, then we move on to resetting File Explorer settings. Go and click on Taskbar Search and type File Explorer Options and choose the first option from above. From this pop-up window, just click on this Restore Defaults button. Apply and you are done. Go and see if that solves your problem, and if you can open the File Explorer but it stays slow, let's also clear File Explorer history because sometimes cache can produce lag. Just click on this Clear button right here. Sometimes these issues occur due to an unupdated Windows, as updates are necessary to terminate bugs and malware inflictions. I will suggest you go to your Windows icon, click on Settings. From the left panel, select the last option that says Windows Update. Now, your Windows may have already downloaded the updates, you just need to restart your computer to install them. Or you may have a button right here, Check Updates, that you can manually click and download the latest updates. After restarting your PC, go to the settings of your PC and select Privacy and Security tab. Open the first option. Click on this button right here. The Windows security options will open. Go to Virus and Threat Protection and just run a quick scan to remove any viruses and malwares that affects your Windows Explorer. It will take some time and the File Explorer should respond normally. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.